Savannakhet to Vientiane. 11 hours by bus, 1 hour on a plane. What would you pick? Let's find out what Lao Airlines are like. Okay, this is Savannakhet Airport. It's cost us about 100,000 to get here from downtown. It's about £3.90. The flight itself to the capital has cost us about $60 each. That does include 20 kilos of checked luggage. So hope everything goes smoothly. We got a bit of a wait now. I think we've arrived too early. Off we go. Come up the stairs and realised that we've got an observation deck. There isn't a lot else up here. Not even a chair to sit on to look out the window, but we'll go and have a peek anyway. We've got 1 hour now till the flight departs. It looks like it's just arrived, probably from Vientiane. People get off, they turn it around, fly it back again. There's just one desk and one bag scanner to get through. No queue whatsoever, sailed through. Everything's going without a hitch at the minute. Fingers crossed it stays that way. It's about 20 minutes before we're scheduled to take off. Still seems like everything's running pretty smoothly. Little walk across the runway now. To be honest, the airport isn't that much bigger than the local airfield in High Wycombe, Booker Airfield. Might even give Oxford a run for its money for the smallest airport I've ever been to. The plane is a 2x2 layout, nice and small. I do have the propeller right next to me, which is a little bit too final destination, but we'll hope for the best. We've actually arrived 15 minutes early, very short flight. Nothing's gone wrong yet. Hopefully our luggage is waiting for us in a minute. And then I'll check in and we'll go over what the flight was like, what worked and what didn't. Okay, we've got our luggage. To be honest, there wasn't anything wrong with the flight at all. It was a little cramped. I'm 6'1" and my knees were knocking against the seat in front, but what airline in economy does that not happen in? I don't think I've really got grounds to complain. Let me know, would you prefer to fly for $60 or sit on a bus for 11 hours? Give this video a like, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time.